Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Compiling wxPython under cygwin can be a bit of a complex task, but it's certainly achievable. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. wxPython is a popular Python library for creating graphical user interfaces, GUIs, and is a wrapper around the native GUI libraries of the platform it's running on. Cygwin, on the other hand, is a compatibility layer for Windows that provides a Unix-like environment and tools. Note, this tutorial assumes you have cygwin installed on your Windows machine. If you don't have it, you can download and install it from the cygwin website. Before we can compile wxPython, we need to make sure we have all the necessary dependencies installed via cygwin. Open your cygwin terminal and run the following command to install the required packages. This command installs make, gcc, Python 3, pip, and development packages for Python 3. Next, we'll download the wxPython source code. Make sure you have git installed by running git version. If it's not installed, you can install it using cygwin's package manager. Now, clone the wxPython repository from GitHub. Before we can compile wxPython, we need to build and install wxwidgets, which is the C++ library that wxPython wraps. Navigate to the Phoenix folder you just cloned. Now, we'll configure and build wxwidgets. Execute these commands. This command configures and builds wxwidgets for the Windows platform using the Python interpreter we installed earlier. Now that wxwidgets is built, we can proceed to build wxPython itself. Run the following command. This command compiles wxPython using the wxwidgets library we just built. Finally, install wxPython by running. This will install wxPython into your Python environment. To make sure wxPython was installed correctly, you can create a simple wxPython application and run it. Create a Python script, for example, hello_wx.py, with the following content. Save this script and run it using your Python interpreter. You should see a simple wxPython window with the text Hello, wxPython. Congratulations! You've successfully compiled and installed wxPython under cygwin. You can now start building cross-platform GUI applications with wxPython on your Windows system. ChatGPT